We were close to D6 now. It was hard to believe that we'd found the legendary command center, but was it worth so many lives? Soon we would know the answer.
Gas mask! Quick!
Артем, take my spare filter. Careful, damn it! 20 years without maintenance structures. Everyone watch your step, especially you, Artyom. Looks pretty clear. The control room should be there. Now let's check it out. Holman, Vladimir, stay here and cover our asses. You never know what's coming. Artyom, come with me.
Sir, yes, sir.
You know, I imagined everything just as it is. There's something about these objects. They have Soviet soul. But you wouldn't know about that. It says here on the top there's an air filtering system for emergencies. These systems were built to last, so there's a good chance it still works.
We're out of light.
Hey Miller, what's up? Nothing good, Berlin. We gave these machines too much credit. All these mechanisms have to be fixed by hand. Artyom, there's an auxiliary startup system. Go upstairs to that ledge. I'll tell you what to do when you get there. Artyom! There should be 4 starter motors over there! Find them! To start this shit up, you need to open all the covers first! Press the button on my mark! First button! Second button! Second button! Third button! Third button! First button! Off we go! I'm back here, fight!
Hurrah! We'll try to start it up.
Such speed! You could have been an athlete!
Go on! Start it up!
Not a chance!
Try again!
How hopeless!
Shit!
Cool! Just like in old Hollywood movies about Soviet Union.
Hey, Colonel! What's up? We almost fell off!
All good! Artyom, let's move out. Enough playing with the equipment. Go! Thank God we don't have to go all the way down. No, something feels very wrong in there. Holman, go left. Professor to the right. Artyom, cover me. If the plans are correct, we need to go there. But how can we open this gate, huh? Any ideas? Artyom? Great job, Artyomka. Holman, let's go. Now quiet. Come on. This way. Excellent! Holman, hold the door. Vladimir, that's your field. What do you need?
me think. Instruction A124, page 3. Panel DS22. All right, there it is. Colonel, what's on that monitor? Wonderful. All the training finally paid off. Colonel, those screens.
Superb memory, Vladimir. I always said the army was a worthwhile institution.
It's working. Now that's hardware. First, died. Second, destroyed. Third, destroyed.
Jolky-pokey, that just cannot be!
Here's one. Now I'll get all the info.
Excellent! What the hell? What happened?
Battery backup depleted.
What about main power?
Well, it looks like the reactor is deactivated. We won't be able to start it from here. We need to start the reactor manually at the lowest level. From the schematic, it's not that difficult. Almost everything is automated.
Hey, stop laughing! How do we go down?
Well, there's a lift just one level down, but there's a slight problem. To power it up, we need to switch off everything, even emergency lighting.
Then there is no other choice. Do it. Thanks, Volodya. Stay here and watch the readings. We'll be fast. Artyom, Olman, follow me. Try to hit the other one!
Knew it wouldn't be that easy.
Here come the sons of the apocalypse. Olman, change of plans. You stay with Vladimir and defend this position. If anything happens, I will send Artyom. Good luck to us all. Sure, the lift is over there, but the door is locked. Okay, we'll have to go around. Advance carefully. We'll cover it. Okay, this is the lift. I hope it still works.
People of Metro, we have awaited your arrival. We are those who are called the Invisible Watchers. Your time has come, and now you will feel our wrath.
Ullman, stop screwing around. Colonel, I have activated the loudspeaker. I have the signal from the lift switchboard on my console. I'll switch it on. That's right.
Invisible watchers. How can you believe in that crap after all this?
Good luck, guys. We're with you.
Going down to the heart of the ancient citadel, I felt a chill in my soul. What man had the right to name himself the master of D6 and the devastating weapons it controlled?
Colonel, go to the reactor hall. There will be a main reactor in the center, left of the control room. A lift goes down to the ground floor, where you will have to take the stairs up. Activate the switchboard by the means of the large lever. I will tell you what to do next. Oh my god. What the fuck? What do we do now, huh? Vladimir, if only you could see that. Okay, get ready, Artyom. It's going to be hot. Don't go tossing grenades around the reactor, Artyom. Consider them here to be on the safe side. This shit on the floor is toxic for sure, and now the gas. We won't last long here. Artyom, I won't lie to you. I'm afraid now. Well, if hell exists, I'd say we found it. And Satan himself may be waiting for us up there. Let's head into the bunker. This sight just makes me sick. Okay, where is the lever? Ah. We made it! Can you hear us?
I knew you could do it. Colonel, the system is automated. Just enter the command.
Sure. Easier said than done. Never thought I'd be in such a mess. Okay. Reactor starter. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks simple. They built it so even a fool could use it. Just pray to God it works.
Colonel, it's all good. She's at 1/4 power. We need a full charge. Keep it going.
But черт подери! Oh well, we won't do any better than that. Let's go! Second! What the hell was that? Now this shit is fighting back! This gets worse every minute. Блин. Черт возьми! Так, manual activation system, hydraulics, черт. Artyom, you won't believe what you have to do now. Can you see the crane on the ceiling? Get to the cabin. It's a backup activation system with a capture mechanism which will help us lift the rods. Fly together while I distract our friend. Okay, let's move. It's now or never!
Attention, collision danger. Movement blocked.
Half power.
Attention, collision danger. Movement blocked. Contact. Contact zone reached. Attention, road removal in progress.
Half power.
Contact zone reached. Attention, road removal in progress.
Three quarters, just a little bit more.
Attention, collision danger. Movement blocked. Contact. Attention, collision danger. Movement blocked. Contact zone reached. Attention, road removal in progress.
100%. Give me a minute.
Artyom! There's a manhole! Drag yourself here!
Give me a minute.
Artyom! There's a manhole!
Attention, collision danger. Movement blocked. Attention, collision danger. Movement blocked.
Short, man. Too bad we have lost the lift. Well, thank God that in the past everything was built in pairs. We should go this way for now. We'll come back here later and finish what we started. Just need to prepare better. Let's deal with your dark ones first.
Great choice, Colonel. This lift will get you straight to the station. We have everything working and under control. Though I don't know for how long. Come back to the starting point. Ulmo will be waiting there for you with a gift.
Look, Artyom. Our heritage. Our future. How much power is here. With all of this, we'll rule the earth once more. We won't have to live like rats. Yes, with sword and fire, we'll win back the sky and the sun. We'll climb out of the dirt. Rebuild the cities. The metro tunnels will once again be filled with fast silver trains. Everything will be... everything.
By fire and sword, we'll take back our world. Miller believed this, and was ready to die for it. But I was filled with doubt. We had already scorched the earth once. Now the fire was in my hands, and I had to carry it through.
There is a...
So tell me, Colonel, is it easy to be Superman?
The hell with your jokes. If you'd seen what lives down there. Okay.
Let's keep it together. Artyom and I will go to Ostankino to correct the aim. You stay here and defend Vladimir. I won't guess our chances of making it, but try to reach our people and ask for backup near the tower. I'll be in contact. Orders clear? Good. Artyom, let's go.
Good luck, Captain.
Artyom, you take the guidance system. Same old story, huh? You save the world while sitting waist deep in shit and nobody gives a damn.
Miller and I left the train, then climbed up the tunnel to the Korolev Performance Hall. We were close to Ostankino Tower now. In the frozen streets, we joined the other Rangers in the furious battle that began my story.